Petalisbless here. Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on today to share with you how to make a nice mirror using items from the Dollar Tree and more. Okay, we're going to take our mirrors and line them up on our foam board. We're going to use the two large mirrors first. And now we're going to use our small mirrors. So now we're going to use some E6000 and some hot glue and glue our mirrors to the foam board. Okay, so now everything is glued down. So I'm just going to use a little X-Acto knife and cut away all the foam board that we don't need. Okay, now it's time to add some bling to our mirror, which I'll be using these sheets right here. I'm just using some E6000 to glue them down. Now I'm going to add some crushed glass and I'll be using some Mod Podge to do that. So I'm just going to add our Mod Podge in between the mirrors. And now it's time to add our crushed glass. And I'm just going to repeat the same steps on the other side, add our Mod Podge, and then add our crushed glass. And then I'll set it aside for a few hours for the Mod Podge to dry. Now our Mod Podge is all dry. We're going to go over it again with some more Mod Podge to help seal in the crushed glass. Choosing material things over you. And now I'll be adding some silver glitter to the crushed glass. And when I'm done sealing everything in and adding the glitter, I will set it aside once again to dry for a few hours. And here is our finished look. Now you can face the mirror this way, or you can turn it and face it this way. I think both ways it looks lovely. And I'm hanging up the mirror using some large command strips. Here's a quick look of how I placed the command strips on the back of the mirror. And here is our mirror decor up on the wall. I love how it turned out. A very nice and glam looking decor for your home. I think it turned out, like I said before, lovely. All using dollar store items and a few things from BB Craft and from Michael's, the crushed glass. I love how it looks. Ain't nothing gonna come and change your life. Cause now it's a different love. I'ma love it better, love. I'ma love it better. Alright everyone, that's all your girls got for you today. And I hope I have inspired you once more with another lovely piece of decor idea for your home. And if you're new here, I would like to say welcome. And thank you for stopping by and seeing the DIY that I had to share with you guys today. And if you like today's DIY, I hope you give me a thumbs up. And I also hope you'll hit that subscribe button on your way out. And to my oldies and goodies, you know I really appreciate you. Thank you also. I really appreciate you guys so much. Alright everyone, remember, as always, to stay blessed from Petalisbless, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye bye everyone. Beside me, yeah, yeah, you beside me.